we will talk about the main income statement items that a firm will register in its operations. We must start with revenue, also known as net sales. This item represents an inflow of economic resources. Usually, the main revenue for a firm is its day-to-day sales, customers buying goods that the firm sells. There can be other sources of revenue. Companies can and do make money outside of their core operations. For example, they can earn money by renting some of their real estate, or by selling goods they rarely sell. The account that unites these sources of additional revenue is called other revenue. When we talk about revenues and we want to categorize them, we must ask one fundamental question. Is this a type of revenue that is part of the firm's core business? Let's provide a practical example. Think of a dairy company. It produces milk and cheese, and then sells it to chains of supermarkets. When the company sells milk and cheese daily, it registers sales, right? Its clients, the supermarket chains, have to pay for the goods they have received. This is the firm's core business, and the sales made this way will be registered as net sales. The company also rents out a real estate property it owns and receives rental income, which will be registered as other revenue, because this isn't part of the firm's core business. Such a distinction is necessary because it allows us to separate sales coming from core business activities from income resulting from non-core activities. The sum of net sales and other revenue equals total revenue. This distinction has its own merit. When someone values a business, they are mainly interested in its core activities. If I want to buy Facebook shares and see in their P&L a huge amount of real estate rent or some other income, I'll want to value this income separately from the rest of the company's activities because this is not what the business is about, and different factors influence the valuation of the two types of income. Next on our list, costs. This will do for now. Thanks for watching.